Hello guys, welcome to POV driving. Today we're testing a crane. Joke.
Just kidding.
This is
we
Victor.
got our hands on the new Tesla Model 3 with the dual motor. Looks pretty cool in the blue color.
Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The new Tesla Model 3.
What do you guys think?
Looks pretty cool.
I think it looks cool.
This is our friend Anton's car. Hello Anton.
What's up?
Welcome to YouTube.
Thank you.
So yeah, this is the new Model 3, guys. Cool steering wheel. Cool glass on the roof.
Yeah,
very cool interior.
Copyright.
What is this weird? It's like a Nissan GTR.
Yeah, it's very usable, this car. I think. Let's go, right?
Pretty cool. We got glass all the way back here. That's pretty cool. And yeah, look at this. This display here in the middle. What the hell? But
yeah, I feel at home.
We can maybe play around with the screen a bit before we start.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
What do we have here?
Here we have the settings, the control settings. You can autopilot settings or lights, locks, doors, everything that has with the car to do with the car. You adjust in the screen. Anything else?
Got a 427 kilometers range.
And it's not even full.
It's not even full. It's pretty wild. No?
Yeah.
Do we have any cool features?
Yeah, we can see the energy level, how much you actually got left when you are driving in the cities and the highway.
Nice.
Different places.
And you can check your last trip as well, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Ah, no. But this is when you've been driving here.
Full
really.
gas. Yeah, this is a pretty fast car, I've heard.
Yeah,
So
but how do I start it up? Is there a start button?
Now we're in park, so,
Yeah, so
to
just
drive, just put down the brake and
put it in
no
reverse.
you have no speedometer in front of you.
No,
it's like
it's
there.
everything is here.
That's super weird. We have a gear. Where do you change gears? Oops.
Yeah, it's here. It's R
it's
and
like
drive.
the-
There's no gearbox in this car. It's an all-electric
It's like
car,
American
which
car.
means one gear only. But yeah, this look at this reverse camera. It's the best I've ever seen. It's the best I've ever seen in a car.
So what does this Tesla Model 3 start at? Starting price?
So I think the base model with the rear-wheel drive is starting at $35,000, which was very marketed by Tesla. The model that we sit in right now is all-wheel drive, long-range, dual motor, which means this starts at $49,000. Oh, nice.
So yeah, the Tesla Model 3 starts at $35,000 as basic. This current test car, Jesus.
Okay, yeah. This current test car is priced at $49,000. We have the dual motor in here. We have the long range model, which gives us 500 kilometers of range. And yeah, and we have this really tidied up interior, which you can see here in the POV angle, very good. It looks like a spaceship in here. There's no buttons you don't need. Everything is controlled by the center screen, and we really like it. It's from the first time I sat in this car, it just feels great. And especially this instant torque and the performance that we got in this car it's ridiculous. It's breathtaking.
Yeah, it's pretty fast.
It's pretty fast. It's really nuts. I think we haven't tried this out yet, but I think this is faster than the M2, especially in these low speeds. I mean,
Yeah, we're currently testing the BMW M2 for the people that don't know.
yeah, you just can't stop doing this. And one thing that I learned from my time, I was working at Tesla before, and one thing I learned from that time is that the best acceleration you get when you put it in regen mode, and then you floor it when it's currently regenerating, because then you got the contrast. But let's just shut up for a while and enjoy the ride, right? Yeah, I'm just gonna do another acceleration pull. It's too good. How about that? What is he doing? Hello. What are people doing today? Parking anywhere?
How does the steering feel, Victor?
It's
agile, no?
Yeah, it's amazing. Like I haven't had the chance to put it in corners the way I would want to, but wow. I mean, the steering response is amazing. Like whenever you touch the steering wheel, it feels very heavy. So
it's like a go-kart.
Yeah, it's just amazing. There's a lot of things about this car that amaze me a lot. I mean, first of all, the technology standpoint. I really like the technology that is invested in these Teslas. It's like this infotainment system. It's just amazing. It's the best thing you can get in a car right now. That is some kind of series produced. It's just awesome. I mean, I don't really know how to talk about it. And then also the driving feeling. This is a real driver's car, you know. I felt that also with the Tesla Model S and the Tesla Model X, which we drove. It's like the battery packs are so low to the ground that you really feel how good this car is balanced due to the low weight ratio. I don't know if that's the right word, but
the batteries are very placed on a low ground.
Yes.
So the weight is low down.
Yeah, but also another point that I would like to say is that we've tried a lot of electric cars. The Hyundai Kona electric, the Jaguar I-Pace, the Tesla Model S, Model X. We have tried the most of them, and it always comes back to one thing, and that is the Tesla supercharging. You don't have that in any other car brand right now. You have 50 kilowatt hours of charging with the third-part chargers, but Tesla Supercharge just updated to 140 kilowatt. It's the only possible solution today if you want to drive more than 500 kilometers on more than just once in a year. If you drive a lot, this is the only option for long-range driving. Yeah, here's like a little kiosk. Let's turn it around. So one thing that you can't do with the Model 3 is drifting, and we're not gonna try that, but I know that there's a few companies that turn off the ESP on the Teslas, so that would be a cool video as well.
Maybe when I'm driving.
Another acceleration pull, right?
Right here.
Yeah, and also the cornering,
You can feel how heavy the car is.
Yeah, you can feel
when you turn it.
But it's super agile, and the power doesn't stop. It's just
take a left turn.
Yeah.
Finish this shit.
Wow. It's like it's some time ago I drove a Tesla, and every time you get into a Tesla, you just feel the quality and the passion that is put to these cars, and you feel I think you feel Elon Musk having a lot to do with this, because it's his visions, and it's just super cool, and it's super different, and it's for me, this is the future of automotive, and for everyone else as well, because with cars this quality, it's hard to compete with a petrol engine car. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop it here, because why not?
Yeah, sitting from the passenger seat, this is a very cool car. I mean, look at this. All the way back there. What do you think, Anton?
Yeah, I think it's really cool with this glass panorama roof.
Yeah.
That's what I liked most of it. And there's no like unnecessary buttons everywhere. Everything is just controlled by this giant screen in the middle.
It's very cool.
I like it a lot.
Very futuristic, very simple. Not my cup of tea, but definitely a cool car. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the Tesla Model 3. We're waiting for the Tesla Roadster to go 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. But yeah, I mean...
Yeah, look at this trunk space as well.
I mean, this is pretty amazing. We got some really cool wood here. You know, everything actually feels pretty high quality, you know. I've seen a lot of reviews and comments about the Tesla Model 3 not being a high quality car. I kind of disagree. What did you say about the space here?
Yeah, it's a really big trunk for a car.
Yeah. You can do whatever you want. Yeah, I was gonna say something inappropriate there, but yeah. We also got some.
Front as well.
You have a
front as well.
I was gonna point out these cool wheels here.
Yeah, they're really cool.
Michelin Pilot Super Sport, so that's probably why we got some good traction. And we also have a trunk. So this is basically a Lamborghini, right? Lamborghini.
Yeah, but 0 to the first 50 meters, I mean, it's hard for any car to compete with this kind of instant torque, and the dual motor in this car. You don't need the performance package in this car to have a really quick car. And all in all, the Tesla Model 3, how it stands here, it's a revolutionizing car in many ways, and I'm just happy I got the chance to drive it. And yeah, maybe I'll lease one of those in a year or so. I'm really convinced. This is POV Driving. My name is Victor. Thank you for watching this video. Check out more of our videos in the description below. Comment, like, subscribe, you know it. See you in the next video.
Ciao, guys. Boom.